Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. क्या बूदोबाश पूछो हो पूरब के साथियों, क्या बूदोबाश पूछो हो पूरब के साथियों, हमको गरीब जान के हंस हंस पुकार के। भोपाल जो था एक शहर आलम इंतखाब, रहते थे जहां मुंतखब रोजगार के, उसको कार्बाइड ने लूट कर वीरान कर दिया। हम रहने वाले हैं उसी उजड़े भोपाल के। आज हम लोग सब इकट्ठे हुए हैं, भोपाल हमारी राजधानी, हम मध्य प्रदेश के निवासी और उनके सपोर्टर्स और दोस्त। मध्य प्रदेश के ये गैलेक्सी ऑफ पीपल अंडर द लीडरशिप ऑफ आवर द मोस्ट पॉपुलर मिनिस्टर, द डायनामिक मिनिस्टर मिस्टर कमलनाथ, who is our chief guest today. On behalf of Madhya Pradesh Foundation, I welcome him and I'm grateful to him that in spite of very busy schedule he has agreed to come to this program. बाबूलाल जी गौड़ भोपाल से स्पेशल तशरीफ लाए हैं आज के कार्यक्रम के लिए, और जस्टिस वर्मा साहब जो भी मध्य प्रदेश की एक शान है, आज को प्रेजेंट करने के लिए तैयार हो गए। और हिंदुस्तान की क्या एक फेस पूरी दुनिया में जो इस लड़ाई के बीच में है, उसका नाम है सुनीता नारायण। सुनीता नारायण हमारे बीच में है, और इस लड़ाई को जो शुरू में जिसने पहले भविष्यवाणी करती थी उसका नाम है राजकुमार केशवानी, वो भी भोपाल से स्पेशली आए हैं। Too little, too late, is it the justice for Bhopal? Today is the tribute to our dear brother, our dear friend, our dear mentor, who started this movement of assembling Madhya Pradeshis in this city. His name was this evening of a very thought-provoking subject, Bhopal. Now I am inviting my dynamic, the man behind this internet, this Madhya Pradesh Foundation, whose name is Vivek Tankha. Vivek Tankha के लिए मैं आपको एक बात और बताना चाहूंगा कि आप एसजी होने के बावजूद भी आपने ये कहा है कि मध्य प्रदेश सरकार का मैं जो ये केस है वो फ्री में लड़ूंगा। He takes 5 to 7 lakh rupees per appearance, but he says I will not take 5 rupees also because it is a question of my state. This is Madhya Pradesh. This is the beauty of Madhya Pradesh, and this is Vivek Tankha, because of whom we are here today, because of whom this Madhya Pradesh Foundation was formed. I am inviting Vivek Tankha to please come and welcome all who are here in the audience on this stage as the president of Madhya Pradesh Foundation.
Dr. Bhalla is very generous with his words. Thank you, Doctor. But, welcome, friends. It's a very, very distinguished audience. If I start taking names, I'll not be able to end till the end of the program. Everybody is very distinguished here. We welcome all of you with the greatest of our gratitude for coming here this evening. This is a 4th memorial interactive subject. I won't say a lecture, it's an interactive subject where we have 3-4 people who speak their minds and give their views. We chose this topic because it touched our heart, it reached our soul, and it continues to rankle our conscience. The judgment of the trial court on 7th of June came as a bolt from the blue. To the whole country, or rather to the whole world, it seemed that the society had failed. All of us had failed. We all were in a state of stupor. We forgot that 15,000 people had died in Bhopal. More than 3 lakh people were disabled temporarily or permanently. Lakhs had suffered. And at the end of the day, what was given to them was, as compensation, was pittance. And even today, not one man in these 26 years has been sent to jail for what happened in Bhopal that evening. It epitomizes the failure of our society. I don't blame A, B, C, D, but I say all institutions fail as far as Bhopal is concerned. But the point is that failure doesn't mean that we decide to do nothing about it. Let's all get together. Let's all join in this crusade to see that justice is delivered to the people of Bhopal. To me, justice means truth in action. And in this case, I neither saw any action, nor there was any truth in this action. I'm so grateful that this eminent audience, or eminent dais, is present today. Kamal Nath ji represents the ethos of Madhya Pradesh. Today, his word carries weight. He is in the GOM as virtually as a representative of Madhya Pradesh. Babulal ji represents Bhopal, the city of Bhopal, and the state in the GOA. Sunita is my friend, and I've appeared for her in many matters. She is a crusader. She's a fighter. Now, this is the kind of lady who needs to fight on the issue of toxic waste which is lying there. We can't permit things to get bad and worse, even after knowing about it. I'm so grateful that Keswani ji could also come. It's a beautiful amalgam of wonderful heads which will speak to you today about their views and their opinion about Bhopal. And I'm sure at the end of the day, we will not have answers, but we will have focus and determination. That when we go home, we are all going to be all determined to do one thing. Let's fight for Bhopal. Thank you. Jai Hind.